Well, the mountains and the higher elevations out to the west were certainly encased with ice from yesterday's storm system that brought mainly freezing rain. There was some sleet, but freezing rain at those higher elevations. And yeah, there's the view this morning from Deborah Levy at her location there at Wintergreen. And it took a while for some of that ice to start melting here today. Meanwhile, there's the view from Afton, and you can see many of the tree line, the ridge tops of the Blue Ridge encased with that ice, and many awoke to that this morning. We had some school delays, and otherwise most of it was just a cold, miserable rain on Sunday. 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Jim Carpenter captured that shot from yesterday. Currently 49 at the airport, made it up to a high of 58 this afternoon. Skies are clear. We had a band of cloudiness that rolled in after sunrise this morning and then lasted through about early afternoon. 44 the current number at Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 52 for a high today. Some other readings, we have 49 in Orange, 50 in Palmyra, 51 currently in Livingston, 50 currently in Waynesboro, and 44 currently in Stanton. Temperatures tonight will slip back in the low and mid 30s across the region with mostly clear skies. Valentine's Day shaping up nicely, heartwarming and milder, with temperatures generally in the low 60s across much of the region, upper 50s to near 60 in the Shenandoah Valley. As we look ahead for this week, Wednesday should be the warmest day of the week as we approach near 70, especially across central Virginia. This will be out ahead of the next cold front that will approach later on Thursday. Now, early Wednesday, there may be a band of cloudiness and a few spotty showers. Nothing significant, but we clear out. It'll be breezy. And then Thursday afternoon, Thursday night into Friday morning, next best chance of widespread rain across the region, and looking at general amounts anywhere from ½ an inch to over an inch of rainfall. There's that band of cloudiness that we saw earlier in the day. Now skies have returned mostly clear across the region. Sunday storm system is up across Atlantic Canada now, and similar to what we've seen so far this winter, if we get a chill down, it's usually brief before another warm up, and that's basically what's playing out now. Our next storm system is down across the four corners of the U.S. That will develop and move up toward the Great Lakes, so it will pick up some Gulf of Mexico moisture, really impact us later Thursday into Friday. You look at current numbers nationally, and there's no bitterly cold air, all bottled well to the north, so generally this mild spring-like pattern to continue. So here we are in the morning. We'll start in the 30s. Afternoon highs here for Valentine's Day, most of us in the low 60s, and then we'll cloud up for a time period tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning. There may be a passing shower to start Wednesday morning in the 40s. Otherwise, we're back to sunshine, 65 to around 70. It will be breezy with those southwesterly winds, and then our next front really starts to arrive as we get into Thursday. That's our best chance of rain taking us into Thursday night, Friday morning. Then the system will depart. There is colder air on the backside. Temperatures will fall during the day. On Friday, it'll be a bit breezy, but it'll be a brief cool down. Temperatures here tonight then in the mid and low 30s and are mostly clear skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as temperatures are back to April-like levels as we go through the rest of this week. Friday's more of that falling temperature day with the front moving across the region. Briefly cooler as we move into the start of the weekend before temperatures warm back up into next week, a pattern we've grown very accustomed to this winter.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.